As I reflect on this past year, I'm reminded of the awesome responsibility I've had in living up to the motto, beauty with a purpose. Through my work, I've tried to promote mutual understanding, individuality, and love. As I leave the world stage, let me take this opportunity to thank the Morley family, Jane, my own family, and the people of Jamaica for their support and faith in me. To Miss World 1994, I send you love and happiness. Remember, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Like a candle, hold it and make it burn as brightly as possible before handing it over to the future.